Should you post on TikTok or YouTube in 2026? So somebody asked me last week, Lona, should I post on TikTok or YouTube in 2026? And I said, yes. No, but seriously, I have been on both platforms. This is my TikTok account and here is my YouTube channel. I have posted on both, failed on both, succeeded on both, and cried on both. If you have not cried, you haven't started yet. So today, I'm going to end this debate forever. TikTok versus YouTube, where should you actually post in 2026? Let's get into it. But wait, click that like button. Yes, that one. Good. I'm Lona. I'm a comedian, a content creator, someone who had wasted enough time on the internet to actually know what I'm talking about. Let's go. Round 1, speed rate. You want to grow fast? You want followers today? You want your phone notifications to be plus 99? Then go for TikTok. Yes, TikTok. I'm not even going to pretend. TikTok can take you from 0 to 100,000 followers faster than YouTube can take you from 0 to 1,000. I have seen people post their first TikTok video, they never posted anything before in their life, and they will wake up the next morning with 50,000 views. What? First video, not their hundreds, their first. But on YouTube, your first video will be seen by your mom, your 2 friends, and one random person from a country you have never heard about. That is just the truth. TikTok's algorithm doesn't care if you have 0 followers. It will just push your video to strangers anyway, just to see if they like it. YouTube's algorithm asks, how many subscribers do you have? What is your watch history? Can I see your credentials, please? YouTube is basically the visa process. TikTok just let you walk in. If you want to grow fast, go with TikTok. So let's call the results for round 1. Round 1 winner goes to TikTok. Round 2, the money game. Where will you actually get paid? Let's be honest, everyone wants to make money from content creation. We love content creation. We are passionate about it, but would we do it for free? We will not do it for free. We need to eat. So let's talk about money. TikTok pays you through their creator fund, that is creator reward program. Sounds amazing, right? My friend, TikTok pays you approximately nothing per view. I'm not exaggerating. Creators with millions of views on TikTok have reported making less than $50. $50 for millions of views, especially if your viewers are mostly Nigerians. You go cry. Meanwhile, on YouTube, one good video, 10,000 views in a monetized niche, you could make anywhere from $50 to $500 from 10,000 views. Shy God, why? TikTok gave you 1 million views and $50. YouTube gave you 10,000 views and $500. The mass is not massing in TikTok's favor. And don't even get me started on brand deals. YouTube brand deals pay 3 to 5 times more than TikTok brand deals for the same audience size. Why? Because YouTube viewers are more committed, more trusting, and more likely to buy. TikTok viewers are scrolling at the speed of light. YouTube viewers actually sat down and choose to watch you. So the winner for round 2 goes to YouTube. We are tied. It is getting interesting, I know. Round 3, the shelf life game. How long does your content last? You know how some food expires in 2 days and some food lasts 2 years? Content is the same way. Your TikTok video has a shelf life of about 48 hours, maybe 72 if you are lucky. After that, it is gone, buried, dead. Nobody will ever find it again. Only your mom and 2 of your friends, probably. We are gathered here today to mourn this our beloved TikTok video who gone too soon. This our beloved TikTok video went viral briefly and was forgotten last month on Thursday 11th 2026. YouTube is completely different. A YouTube video you posted 2 years ago can still get views today, still getting clicks, still getting comments, still making money while you sleep and snoring. YouTube videos are assets, TikToks are moments. On TikTok, people see your video. If it's funny, they laugh and maybe forget it in 2 to 3 days. YouTube builds your future, TikTok entertains your present. And here is the crazy part. I have seen a YouTube video go viral 3 years after they were uploaded because the algorithm randomly decided to show it to new people. TikTok has never done that for anyone. So the winner for round 3 goes directly to YouTube without catwalking. Round 4, the stress game. Which one will finish you faster? This one is personal. Stress levels. TikTok posting cultures will finish you. I'm not playing. On TikTok, if you don't post every day, the algorithm punish you like a street teacher. Your views drop, your reach dies, your followers forget you exist, and some will start unfollowing you. It's only God of Elijah that will save you. So you are posting every day, sometimes twice a day, filming, editing, posting, filming, editing, and posting every day. For what? $50? If you are even using a Nigerian account that can't be monetized, I'm sorry, because even with your 5 million followers, you will not earn even $1, except you are going to live stream, promotion, and all that. YouTube allows you to post once a week. Some big YouTubers post twice a month and still growing consistently because the content lasts, because subscribers wait for your next video, because you built a relationship, not just caught someone's attention for every second while they are eating. TikTok is a treadmill. The moment you stop running, you fall off. YouTube is a staircase. When you are climbing the stairs and you decided to rest, will you fall down? No. Every video is a step up. Even when you stop climbing temporarily, you don't fall back down. But on TikTok, if you decided to rest, they will tell you to go and rest forever. Your mental health matters. Choose the staircase. So round 4 winner goes to YouTube. TikTok is getting beaten, but wait, let's check round 5. The discovery game. Who will find you easier? TikTok is gonna win this. TikTok is coming back. Here is something YouTube will never beat TikTok at. How easy is it for new people to discover you? On YouTube, new people find you through search. They have to type something in the search bar to find you. They have to be looking for you. But on TikTok, people find you by accident. They were watching a cat video. Suddenly, they scroll and your face appears and they watch your video. And now they are following you. And now you start going viral. And now you start looking for money. And now you are using a Nigeria account. And now they won't pay you. And now you are crying. On TikTok, they didn't search for you. They didn't know you existed. TikTok just decided to, you know what? Let me just show them this person. That is powerful for brand new creators. TikTok removes the barrier of obscurity. And here's the real secret that the big creators use. They use TikTok to get discovered and YouTube to get paid. TikTok is the net, YouTube is the boat. You get it now? You catch people on TikTok, then you bring them to YouTube where the real money lives. You can ask some of my followers here from TikTok and Facebook. They know me from there and followed me here. That love is massive. I love you all. So round 5 winner goes to TikTok. So here's the verdict. Stop choosing. Here's the final score. Let me call the final result. YouTube wins 3 rounds to 2. But here is the thing, and this is the most important thing I will say in this entire video. The question was never TikTok or YouTube. The answer has always been TikTok and YouTube. Yes, the creators you see that are winning are not choosing. They are posting short content on TikTok to get discovered and long content on YouTube to get paid and build something that lasts, just like me. TikTok gets you the audience, YouTube keeps the audience. TikTok make you famous, YouTube make you money. TikTok is the trailer, YouTube is the full movie. You get it now? It's very simple. So if you are starting from zero today, go to TikTok first, get comfortable on camera, go viral, build a small audience, find your voice, then bring your audience from TikTok to YouTube and start building your real income. Simple. And if TikTok is also hard for you, you can go check my first video on this channel. It talks about how to go viral on TikTok in less than 30 days. And if you're already on TikTok and wondering if YouTube is worth it, you are literally watching a YouTube video asking if YouTube is worth it. I will let you answer that yourself. If this video helped you figure out where to actually put your energy in 2026, share it with one creator friend who is still stuck in the debate. Drop in the comments, are you team TikTok or team YouTube, or the smart one doing both? I read every comment. I reply to almost every comment. Almost. I'm human. Subscribe if you are new. More videos are dropping so you won't miss any. Funny, real, actually useful. See you in the next one. Wait, go and post. Peace.